Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this white Kia Sportage 1.6 CRDi. Now of course you get LED daytime running lights, you get your halogen headlights, then you also get front fog lights as well. Then we get these brilliant silver painted alloy wheels, of which I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern, as these are a 17-inch alloy wheel. Coming round to the rear, we've got your rear parking sensors. You'll notice it is on a 16 reg. You also get a reversing camera just here as well. Then coming into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with the boot floor. You've got a pull-out privacy shelf which ensures maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate as well. Then coming out into the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've then got electric windows all round. Then coming into the front, we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. We've then got your parking sensors off, hill descent control and your auto stop start. You've got dual climate control in the front with air conditioning. You've then got your radio controls just above. Now you do have this touchscreen display in the middle which has your satellite navigation on. It has your various radio sources just here, and of course your media, which is your Bluetooth audio and auxiliary. Then over to the steering wheel now. As you can see, we've got your Bluetooth hands-free, volume off, mute button, volume up and track select. Over on the right hand side, we do have your cruise control settings. So you got your mode there, so you can choose between speed limiter or cruise control. Then we've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 80,110 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Sportage, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.